Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I thought I would show you how I'm packaging up this package. It's a challenge entry package and I'm going to show you guys how I pack it up. I don't know if this is a video that you guys want to see. I've never done a video like this before, so let me know if you guys want to see more of these. But I thought today I would just do it. I don't know. So I have all the stuff I need to fit in a box. I already found a box that I think everything will fit into. So I'm reusing this Amazon box. I think I got this in a challenge entry, one of my challenge entries, and then I just really wanted to keep the box. I can't remember. Then I have some tissue paper here, and this is from Dollar Tree. I think it's from Dollar Tree. Yes, it is, guys. It is this iridescent tissue paper from Dollar Tree that I found. It only comes with 4 sheets in there, so here's one. I don't know which way I should put this, though. Should I put it this way so that when I close it up, maybe we'll do it this way. I don't really know what the right way is. So if you guys know, let me know. Okay, but that's what that's going to look like, I guess. I'm gonna start putting stuff in the bottom here, I guess. Just try to fit everything in here. Where's my boxes? There we go. There's a box that I need to fit in here. Here's another one. Okay, that works. Kind of. I'll put in this. No, let's put this here. Let's do this right here. Super easy, guys. It's like playing Tetris. You're playing Tetris, trying to fit everything inside of here. There we go. And everything fits so cute. Then I guess what you do is just like put this down. Fold it around, I guess. See, I don't really know what I'm doing here. Oh, wait, no. I forgot some shred. I have this shred mix here from Michael's. And I'm just going to throw that in here. Cover that up here. Okay, that looks good, right? I can't put anything on the box because that's already like the height of everything. So I guess then we'll just go like this. I don't know, stuff that in there. Stuff that side in there. And kind of try to stuff that in there. I feel like this needs a piece of tape. So I guess we'll add this piece of tape right here. Keep that closed. Don't really know what I'm doing. This is how I package stuff up. And then I'll put this on top and hopefully it won't die. Hopefully she doesn't kill it when she's trying to open the box. That would not be good. So I feel like I should layer something else on top of here. I mean, we could add some more crinkle, but that's not gonna keep anything safe if she goes in with some scissors and a knife. What is this? Like, so look at this. This is like some weird crinkly. Okay, just gonna throw it in there. Okay, I guess I'm gonna throw in a piece of white tissue paper only because I don't want this to get ruined. So here's just some white tissue paper that I'm gonna throw in here. Oh look, I'm gonna fold it in half and there's my beautiful cover. Perfection. All right, and that is it for this quick little video on how to package, or how I'm packaging it up. Not really how to package, but how I'm packaging it up, and it fits perfectly in here. All nice and stuffed, nothing moves around. So that's fantastic. All right, guys, that is it in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys want to see more quick packaging videos like this. And I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.